Tutorial for upgrading the instrument cluster of 2026 models in the 368 and 703 series. Preparation before upgrade 1. Turn off other Wi-Fi networks on your phone and only enable the Wi-Fi switch 2. Turn on the phone's location services 3. Ensure the vehicle has sufficient power. It is recommended to upgrade while idling. Press the power button to start the vehicle. Operate the 5-button key to open the instrument cluster main menu. Display theme. Switch to theme 4. Open the Zontes Smart app on your phone and click Service Audio Instrument Upgrade. Click the top right corner to scan the QR code on the instrument panel. Select the latest firmware that matches the vehicle. Click Download, and after the download is complete, click Connect. If the connection fails, click multiple times until the connection is successful. Click Upgrade. The instrument will show it is receiving files. Do not exit during the upgrade process, and the vehicle's power should not be disconnected from the app. After the instrument shows the file installation is complete, the app can be exited, and the instrument will automatically restart once. After restarting, the instrument will show the verification is successful and write the file. Upon completion, the instrument will automatically restart once again. Press the 5 operation keys to enter the main menu, vehicle information, and version information. If the instrument version matches, the upgrade is complete. After verification, you can switch back to the original theme by yourself. The tutorial ends. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.